Have you ever wondered how to make the most of your cryptocurrency investments using a powerful tool called token metrics? Well, wonder no more. Token metrics is a data-driven investment platform that uses artificial intelligence to analyze and predict cryptocurrency trends. It's like having a crystal ball that sees into the future of your crypto investments. Imagine having a tool that provides detailed insights into various cryptocurrencies, helping you make informed decisions. It's not just about technical analysis, but also fundamental analysis and machine learning predictions. This three-pronged approach gives you a comprehensive overview of a cryptocurrency's potential and risks. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, token metrics can be your guide, your compass, navigating you through the volatile seas of cryptocurrency markets. Now that you have a basic understanding of token metrics, let's move on to setting up your account. Setting up your token metrics account is a straightforward process. To begin, head over to the Token Metrics website and sign up for an account. The platform offers various subscription plans tailored to different investment styles and budgets, so you can pick one that best fits your needs. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard. This is your command center, providing a snapshot of market trends, top picks, and indices. Now, the fun part begins. If there's a specific cryptocurrency that's piqued your interest, simply type it into the search bar. If you're still exploring, feel free to browse the list of cryptocurrencies available on the platform. Each cryptocurrency comes with a wealth of data and insights ready for your perusal. With your account set up, let's dive into how to interpret the analytics Token Metrics provides. Interpreting the analytics provided by Token Metrics is key to making informed investment decisions. Let's break it down. Firstly, technical analysis. Within this realm, you'll find insights like the relative strength index, moving average convergence divergence, and moving averages. These indicators help you feel the pulse of the market and understand its current conditions. Next, we have fundamental analysis. It's here where you can review the core metrics of a coin, such as its utility, the strength of the team behind it, and the viability of the product itself. This is the part where you get to know the soul of the coin. And then, we have predictive analytics. The machine learning models of Token Metrics take historical data and use it to predict potential future price movements. This is akin to peeking into the crystal ball of crypto. Now that you understand how to interpret these analytics, let's look at an example of how you might use Token Metrics for investment strategies. Let's say you're considering an investment in Ethereum. First, explore Ethereum's performance metrics and technical indicators to understand its current state. Then delve into the fundamental factors, ensuring solid backing and utility. Don't forget to peek into the future with predictive insights, assessing potential growth trajectories. These steps can guide you on when to enter or exit the market. By using Token Metrics in this way, you can make more informed decisions about your cryptocurrency investments. That wraps up our journey through using Token Metrics to maximize your cryptocurrency investments. We've explored its powerful analytics, how to set it up, and even applied it to real-world investment strategies. Remember, it's a tool that combines technical and fundamental analysis with machine learning to give you a comprehensive view of your crypto prospects. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest tech explorations. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.